National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cayuga County, central Onondaga County, until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Weedsport, or 9 miles north of Auburn, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Onondaga, Syracuse, Clay, Cicero, Delaware Witt, Lysander, Van Buren, Baldwinsville, North Syracuse, New York State Fair, and Solvay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is